In today's tutorial, we are going to create an AI-generated video like this.
The best places to visit in Switzerland in one line are the picturesque city of Lucerne, the stunning Swiss Alps, the charming old town of Bern, and the scenic Lake Geneva region.
With the help of two free tools, number 1, ChatGPT OpenAI to create a text-to script. Number 2, didai.com, which is a free website to create a beautiful animated video, and we will finally execute all this together within 2 minutes to create a beautiful YouTube video like this. So if you're ready, let's begin. Step 1. Generate your text or script. In Google Chrome browser, type chat.openai.com and the first option will come. Open it in a new tab. Sign up if you are using it for the first time and log in if you have already used it. Once you log in, this kind of an interface will open. Here all you need to do is type the keywords on which you want to create a script and click on this. In a while it will create a beautiful script for you. Once the script is ready, copy it. Now next, go to the next tab and open d-id.com. First option you will have to open, right click, open it in a new window. Here we are going to use the free trial. The free trial will allow you to use this service of did.com for 14 days with 20 credits. Each video, as per the length, they will consume the credit for you. So you get altogether 14 days free trial with 20 credits. So you can accept their cookies and go for free trial. That will lead you to the dashboard directly. So for you, first time when you're creating, then you go to this create video option, or from here create video option. Both way will be led to the same dashboard. Here you get different types of characters down here in this area. You can also create your own character. The size has to be up to 10 MB. So if these are matching with any picture that you can use. So let me just check if I have any. Well, I have this lady's picture, so let me just see if it opens. So this is the picture which I want to use. See, I have got this lady in the gallery as well. I can use it for future as well. So now I'm going to paste my script. You can select the audio type of audio you want from here. So you can choose, for me this US English is okay. You can choose a female voice from here. Let me choose Sonia. And here you can choose the style. So I choose cheerful. For Sonia, there are only 2 styles are available, cheerful and sad. Once you have selected everything, your mood, your style, your voice, your language, and your script, and your picture, you can also create your own audio by clicking on this button, or you can upload your own audio. But for your own audio recording, right from here you need to upgrade it, so you can directly upload your voice from any other device or any other software, right? So I am not going to use that at this moment, so I will just generate. After all this, I'll just generate the video. It will take a while. See, it will show you how many credits are being consumed. So this is only one credit because this is a very short video. Video length will identify how much credit will be used for this. And once you're done, then you can just generate the video. Okay, it's getting generated here. Now as our final video is ready, let's see how does it look like.
The best places to visit in Switzerland in one line are the picturesque city of Lucerne, the stunning Swiss Alps, the charming old town of Bern, and the scenic Lake Geneva region.
So if you're happy with this video, just download it right here. And it will be saved in the folder. And that's how you can create a video, stunning video right from a text within 2 minutes, and that too absolutely free. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a like, and please press the subscription button below so that I can thrive every single day and create more value-adding content for you all. if you're looking for a steady, massive growth in YouTube, then make sure you watch the next video coming up.
3 reasons why new YouTubers fail. First is, they only focus on creating content and they never invest time in learning how to do it in the right way. Second is, they don't know how exactly the videos go viral. They don't know how to pick up the right video topic which can help them to get more views as well. Third is, they are not aware of the features that are available in YouTube which can help them to get more views, subscribers as well. If you want to scale your channel 5x faster and earn more than 50,000 rupees per month by creating videos based on your passion, skill or talent, then YouTube Masterclass is for you. Just click on the link below and register for 90-minute free YouTube Masterclass. Hi, I'm Sriram Benur, content creator of channel A2C, which has more than 1 million plus subscribers. And right now I have been coaching more than 2,000 plus students from across multiple countries. Rated 4.9 on Trustpilot. In the 90-minute YouTube Masterclass, you're going to learn why you should consider YouTube, how exactly YouTube works, what are the skills that are needed to be a YouTuber, 3 powerful strategies which can help you to get more views, more subscribers, more video engagement, more click-through rate, and which can help you to earn more money as well. So just click on the link below and register for 90-minute free YouTube Masterclass. See you live.
So I being his affiliate, I have already given the link in the description for his masterclass. Please do join in his masterclass and enrich your knowledge about being a YouTuber. If you are a new visitor to my channel, please consider to click the subscription button below and press the bell notification. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.